In the first edition of the International Student Week in Tunisia. We're gonna meet some participants and trainer and ask them about how the festival is going so far. Let's meet Riham and Alexandra. So Riham, how is the festival is going so far?
Me as a participant in creative writing workshop, I really get to know a lot of concepts and new things. With Alexandra was amazing, and she has many ways of teaching, and I got to know many things, and I'm really grateful for that. Also we have like many activities that we did during this event, such as the court cleaning, which has a lot of message to deliver to people and government. That we have to keep our society or our country clean.
And what about the choreography last night?
It was amazing. I'm really happy to be with you all guys.
We're happy
experience and new experience for me.
We're really thrilled to have you among us actually.
Yeah.
So what about the world meeting?
It was amazing that we gathered together from all around the world, like many countries.
Exchange
the other, for example, foods and traditions, stuff like.
You're wearing a beautiful dress. Actually, this is the traditional dress of
of a group from the north of Yemen. So yeah, it's a little bit heavy, but it's okay.
Actually, in Tunisia too, we have heavy dresses.
Yes.
That we put in our marriage.
Yeah.
That's great. Nice to meet you, Riham. We're happy to have you among us, as I already said. So let's meet Alexandra right now. She's the trainer of the show of the creative forms of writing. Nice to meet you, Alexandra.
Hi, it's my pleasure and honor to be here, not only as a trainer but also as a participant, because we are all participating with our hearts and souls. And if I have to say something about what we just did, this international world meeting we just had, wow, I'm telling you, I wish you were there. You, dear viewers, I wish you could share this thing with me. You could never believe how is it possible to take so many people from all around the globe just to bring them together and make them create something beautiful and
peaceful.
It's peaceful, but if we see how we dance, it's a different thing.
Actually, yeah. So what about the other activities like the choreography and the cleanup at the board?
Well, I have to be serious, and I have to say that this is a really professionally organized event. And so many people have put their efforts together to do this, and you could feel it. I mean, if you only had the chance to take a look at what we are doing, it's a lot of work. we do together, but also it's a lot of fun, and it's not only about how professional we are, it's about friendship, it's about peace, it's about being together as a group, as a family, so it's my pleasure and honor, as I said.
It's a pride for us to have you among us, actually, Alexandra. Nice to meet you, all of you, and have fun and make yourself at home. Let's say bye to the camera. Bye.
Just not to forget, just take a look at our videos, look at our pictures, spread the word about the festival. It's worth it, and it's only the first, so many more to come.
Woo! Thomas from Czech Republic next to me. Hi Thomas!
Hi guys!
So this is his first international conference. What do you think so far is going? How is the festival is going so far?
My feelings are great because for me it's, as you said, the first conference, and I'm really surprised how people welcome me and how they take care of me. They ask me if I like food like 3 or 4 times a day.
Tunisians.
So, Tunisians. It never happened to me in my life, so it's very nice.
Yeah.
And I really like the atmosphere because when we have some longer transfers in the bus, people start singing, and the way is going much faster and much nicer.
Yeah. So what about the workshop? What workshop you attend actually?
I attend a workshop called It's All About Business because I work in sales, and I wanted to improve my knowledge and maybe explore some new things.
Great.
And so far I'm very impressed because the workshops are, I would say, very interesting. It's not just theory and boring reading books.
Practical issues.
Yes, we do some kind of games and
to break the ice between the members of the workshop.
yes, and
Great.
also doing something different. You know, like you don't, when you study business or do business, you just have the way you go every day, and here is exploring much wider.
Great. Thank you, Thomas. Nice to meet you, and welcome again in the
Thank you.
International Student Week in Tunisia.